supposed to be taking a nap, baby. I have to tell you something. You're gonna do my makeup for me. You're not gonna actually do it, don't worry. You're just gonna pick out which products I'm gonna use, okay? Elias, do you think you'll pick good makeup for Thea? Yeah? Yeah? We both would like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. This is gonna be such a fun episode because he's cute, but also because Thea. He's about to do my makeup. It's gonna be between drugstore, even dollar store makeup, competing with higher end expensive makeup. So we're gonna see what kind of taste he has. I don't know how this is gonna go. Drugstore makeup, or am I gonna use high-end makeup? Ready? Ouch. Let's get started. So here are some of the decisions Elias will have to make. Is he gonna pick some Bobbi Brown and Chanel? Are we gonna use some dollar store lipsticks here? Mascara. Are we using my Spider Effect, or will we be using, I don't even know what these are called. And then for the bronzers, dollar store right here, or are we gonna use my Chanel? It's really up to you, Elias. Those hands are mighty and powerful. It's decision time, Elias. You ready for this? So whichever product you touch first, I have to use. So we're gonna use Smashbox, or are we gonna use Jane Iredale Primer? Okay. Next is brows. Are we gonna use my favorite Anastasia, or are we going to use Total Temptation by Maybelline? I'm putting everything to the side that you're choosing, Elias. All right, for bronzer, are we gonna use Chanel, Thea's favorite, or are we gonna use this dollar store kind? Okay, for blush, are we gonna use Thea's favorite La Prairie, or are we gonna use this dollar store one? Okay, thank you. Thank you, I appreciate that. What about foundation? Are we gonna be using La Mer? Are we gonna use this BB cream? Which one are we gonna use? What about for mascara? This one is very serious. This blue one? People, this is a big deal. This is a big decision. Which concealer? Okay, pick the one you want me to use. Okay, Daddy, for eyeliner. This is a big decision. Really? Gloss. Are we using Glossier or this lip duo from the dollar store? Thank you. I haven't even done eyeshadow yet. Which eyeshadow do you want me to use? Decision's been made. Thank you. Thank you. Elias, you've made a mess. But I had to feed the talent. And while you did that, I went and washed my face. So we're starting with the clear face. Okay, we're gonna see how all of your picks do. Elias chose Jane Iredale Smooth Affair. Next, Elias picked Maybelline BB Cream for my foundation. Remember that? Foundation is on. And now oh, you want more snacks? Feed the makeup artist. Elias's choice. Remember this? Remember you told me to use this? For brows, y'all know I like to use an angled brush, double-sided. This is Total Temptation Brow Definer in medium brown. Good call. Feels so weird not using my Anastasia palette. For eyeliner, he decided this dollar store one. Thanks a lot. Here we go. Kinda hurts. For lip, he chose a dark pink frost. That nicely comes with its own lip liner too. Well, that's nice it comes with its own lip liner, right? This is his color choice. Smells like a crayon. He did say I could use this one, the fancier, bougier lip gloss, which smells like a marshmallow, cotton candy. Hey sis? Yeah? How much of these snacks can he have?
Don't give him a lot.
Okay.
Get all of his hair.
Sis. Elias's fine choice for mascara is this $1 called Very Black, Wet n Wild, healthy long lashes. Here we go. Elias, you did that. I wish you could touch one of these, but it'll get banana all over it.
Yeah, do not.
Which one do you want me to use?
Yeah, he has banana everywhere.
Which one? Yeah, on his hands. I'll just use this one.
Tortillitas pa mama. Yay!
Elias, I would like to thank you for your time today. Now I'm able to know that if I use dollar store products, I will look crazy. Oh, got lipstick on you. You made good choices. All right, thanks for watching. Besitos, can you do besitos? Can you do besitos?
Okay, Daddy.
And cut.
Oh my God.
Oh, he's so funny. Can't handle him.